10 camping gadgets that are on another level. What's up, folks, and welcome to another episode of Tech Joint. Today, we're bringing you 10 camping gadgets that are on another level. Better stick around for number 1, because this one will blow you away. There's camping gear, and then there's camping gear. There's regular stuff like tents, tables, stoves, and sleeping gear. And then there's a whole host of extraordinarily peculiar inventions that will just bring your next camping experience to a whole new level. Make sure you stick around for number 1, because this gadget will definitely make your next outdoor adventure a cool one. Let's have a look at some of them, shall we? Number 10. Hydro Hammock Bathtub. If you've packed everything for your next camping trip, including the kitchen sink, and still got a 4x2 foot void in your boot, you can even take your bathtub too, thanks to the Hydro Hammock. Hammocks are relaxing, and so are hot tubs, so it only makes sense to combine the two. The Hydro Hammock is a battery-powered, gas-heated, insulated hammock designed to be filled with water to create a remote hydro spa in the wilderness. Simply hang this gadget between two sturdy and level anchor points, or dig an enormous hole to lay it, and you've got yourself a hammock hot tub. That is, if you can find about 50 gallons of water to fill it up with. Think that's cool? Just wait until you see camping gadget number 1. Number 9. WAWACO NANOPRESSO. If you're all about comfort when you go camping and can't go a day without coffee, this compact portable espresso maker by WAWACO deserves a spot in your backpack. It is the smallest, lightest, and most versatile handheld espresso machine that doesn't need any compressed air, N2O cartridges, or electricity. All you need is some water, your favorite coffee beans, and this mini espresso maker will brew your rich, high-quality espresso out in the wilderness. The WAWACO NANOPRESSO works using a patented pumping system to reach a maximum of 18 bars of steady pressure for that perfect cup of tasty espresso. It also provides a detachable cup for comfortable sipping, weighs less than 12 ounces, and fits easily into your backpack. If you're a coffee lover, this gadget's a no-brainer for your next camping trip. Number 8. BioLite Camp Stove. Sleek, handy, and eco-friendly, the BioLite Camp Stove does so much more than just cooking and boiling water. In fact, it's one of the best camping gadgets money can buy. It's an impressive stove in its own right, as it can boil a liter of water in just 4.5 minutes. But what makes this bad boy so special is that it converts the heat from a fire into actual electricity you can then use to charge your mobile phone, LED lights, GPS watch, and other useful gadgets while being in the great outdoors. So next time you fire up the stove to warm up on a chilly morning or cook up some coffee, don't forget to connect your devices and charge away. Number 7. MPOWERD LUCI Outdoor 2.0. Need a reading light out in the wild? Then meet LUCI, the inflatable solar light with a sense of adventure. LUCI Outdoor is an extremely durable, lightweight, inflatable solar light that collapses flat to 1 inch, so you can take a little light wherever you go, and still have plenty of room in your backpack for other cool gear. It's perfect for when you go camping, hiking, kayaking, or anytime you're headed off-grid. Simply place LUCI in direct sunlight for 7 hours, and it will last up to 18 hours on a single charge. It's 100% solar powered with no batteries needed. What's really cool about LUCI though is how compact it is thanks to its lightweight material. It's also completely waterproof and fully submersible. Plus, it's got an adjustable bottom strap that lets you attach it anywhere. No matter how extreme the adventure, LUCI is the one light that's game for anything. Number 6. Off-road SEGWAY. If you enjoy the outdoors, but hiking isn't quite your thing, then why not tear up the walking tracks and mow down the wildlife with an off-road SEGWAY? The SEGWAY X2 SE is the off-road version of the popular self-balancing smart scooter device and will set you back a pretty penny. But at least you won't be burning all those hard-earned calories on the way to your destination. With a range of up to 13 miles per charge and a top speed of 10 miles per hour, the X2 SE has more than enough power to get you to your destination. Oh, and it's fully charged in less than 2 hours. But you're going to need a powered campsite. Real quick, we have a speed challenge that will only take 5 seconds to complete. If you manage to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications in the next 5 seconds, the YouTube gods will bless you with 5 years of incredible luck and notify you whenever another awesome video comes out. What are you waiting for? Hurry up and join the TechJoint community today. Number 5. OONI Pizza Oven. While we're on the topic of going camping without burning calories, check out this portable wood pellet pizza oven called OONI. OONI lets you bring that oven-baked taste along for the ride. This wood-powered oven can reach temperatures of up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit in just 10 minutes. Just right to bake that crispy pizza you want so badly. Thanks to the insulated body which retains heat, the cooking process is almost more efficient than an oven in an authentic Italian pizzeria. That's right, once the OONI oven reaches the right temperature, it will cook your pizza in a jaw-dropping 60 seconds. Along with wood pellets, you will soon be able to power the OONI oven using the soon-coming gas burner. Now all you need to remember to pack is some dough and tomato sauce. Number 4. Wicked Lasers Flash Torch. If the pizza oven doesn't fit in your backpack, how about something a little smaller like this flash torch by Wicked Lasers? The flash torch is a compact, portable searchlight that is capable of producing an incredible 4,100 lumens of intense white light. But this torch won't just light your way home through the woods. It will also start a fire and fry an egg, all with the power of its so-called laser beam technology. It sounds and looks a lot like a Jedi lightsaber and is a surefire way to burn holes in your tents. But it's 100% legally guaranteed under US law though, so it must be safe. Just make sure you keep it out of reach of children. Number 3. CAM.G Plus Camping Security Device. You might have your home security covered, but when camping, your belongings are far more vulnerable to theft. Well, that's history thanks to the CAM.G Plus Camping Security Device. The CAM.G Plus acts as a motion detector that senses any movement going on within a 5-meter radius. You can use CAM.G to protect your belongings in your camper or tent, simply by connecting it to your smartphone via Bluetooth. And as soon as it notices any unusual movements, it sends an alert to your smartphone. So while you're out on a hike or going for a swim, this gadget helps keep your outdoor gear safe from any intruders. And weighing just 8 ounces, this lightweight device is easy to toss in your backpack before you head out on your next trip. The CAM.G Plus also creates ultrasonic waves which deter mosquitoes and even includes an LED safe light. With all these features in one, the CAM.G Plus is one next-level camping gadget everybody should have. Number 2. COMBAR Pro Survival Device. Every outdoor enthusiast is going to need a multi-tool, and if you had to pick, then the COMBAR Pro Elite Adventure Tool Survival Device is exactly the one you would want in your backpack. The COMBAR was developed by ACLIM-8, a company founded by Israeli ex-Special Operation veterans. These veterans set out to find just the right combination of tools that could be easily carried while having the ability to handle all essential needs for your outdoor adventures. The versatile and rugged COMBAR Pro features 5 tools in one, made from aircraft-grade aluminum, stainless steel, and titanium. It's got a hammer, an axe, a spade, a saw, and a knife, and yet it only weighs about 3 pounds, making it the perfect survival multi-tool for your next camping trip. Number 1. MANCAN Portable Beer Keg. There's nothing like enjoying a cold one in the great outdoors, and yet the necessity of this next camping gadget could be debated for a lifetime. But if you're a beer lover, you would agree that the MANCAN is one next-level camping tool. The MANCAN is a single-wall keg that you can keep in your portable car fridge ready for a cold beer on tap in the campsite. And for our female viewers, you can also get a limited edition woman can. Their claims of being lightweight are a bit of a stretch for serious hikers, but a homebrew enthusiast would say the MANCAN is well worth the extra carry. Besides, you're going to need something to replenish those calories after a long hike. Made from stainless steel, the MANCAN holds half a gallon of your favorite beer in an indestructible growler. The growler also comes with a no-leak cap and keeps your beer fresh at all times. It also uses the same steel as traditional kegs, preserving the flavors, aromas, and other unique characteristics. Just fill it up before your next camping adventure so you can enjoy a cold one once you get there. You've just seen 10 camping gadgets that are on another level. Which of these are you taking on your next outdoor adventure? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget, if you enjoyed the video, then join the TechJoint community by hitting that subscribe button and turning on notifications. And if you enjoyed this one, make sure you check out Camping Gadgets playlist. See you in the next one.